Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some fantastic home hacks that will make your life a whole lot easier. Whether you're looking to save time, money, or just make your living space more organized, these hacks are for you. So let's jump right in. Hack number 1, air freshener. First up, we have a DIY air freshener that's not only cost-effective but also eco-friendly. All you need is a mason jar, some baking soda, and your favorite essential oil. Fill the jar with baking soda, add a few drops of essential oil, and you've got yourself a natural air freshener. Hack number 2, cable organization. Do you have a jungle of cables behind your TV or computer? Fear not. Take some old toilet paper rolls and paint them to match your decor. Then, you can use these to neatly organize your cables. No more tangled mess. Hack number 3, fridge deodorizer. Is your fridge starting to smell funky? Try this easy trick. Place a small container of coffee grounds in your fridge. Coffee grounds are excellent at absorbing odors, keeping your fridge smelling fresh and coffee-scented. Hack number 4, remove sticker residue. Removing sticky residue from labels or stickers can be a real pain, but peanut butter comes to the rescue. Just apply a little peanut butter to the sticky area, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe it away. It works like magic. Hack number 5, easy microwave cleaning. Microwaves can get dirty fast, but here's a simple way to clean them. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with equal parts of water and vinegar. Place it in the microwave and heat it for a few minutes. The steam will loosen the gunk, making it easy to wipe clean. And there you have it, folks. 5 easy and practical home hacks that will save you time, money, and keep your home in tip-top shape. Give them a try and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome home tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.